Assalamualaikum students. Welcome to our online English class. I know that you all are fine and doing well with the blessings of Allah. Today I am going to teach you the exercise of the poem The Skylark from New Oxford Modern English Class 5. Understanding the poem, answer the following questions. Let's see the question 1. Where was the skylark? Skylark कहाँ था? The skylark was hanging, वो मुअल्लक था between the earth, ज़मीन के दरमियान and the sky और आसमान के and soaring और ऊपर उठ रहा था. Who is listening to the birds song? कौन इस परिंदे का गाना सुन रहा था? The poet and perhaps और शायद the skylark's mate और उसकी mate. When does the skylark sing and when is it silent? Skylark कब गाता है और कब खामोश होता है? The skylark sings, वो गाता है when it is flying up, जब वो उड़ता है. It is silent, जब वो खामोश होता है when it flies down.